Hello everyone and welcome back to Chapter 2, focusing on syllables, stress, and sounds. Here we're looking at vowel sounds that have one and two symbols. And when we say symbols, we're referring back to the International Phonetic Alphabet, which we're going to look at these symbols in greater detail in the next week. But vowel sounds with one symbol are what we call simple vowels. We call them simple vowels because our lips, jaw, and tongue do not move much or at all when we say these vowel sounds, when we pronounce these vowel sounds. They're simple because they only have one symbol, as you can see here. Cat, a, let, it, I, hot, ah, cup, When you pronounce those vowel sounds, a, e, ah, no movement at all with your lips, jaw, or tongue. And you can listen to CD1 track 8 to hear those vowel sounds. Now, two symbol vowel sounds, we call those, there are really 5 vowel sounds that are pronounced just like the letters in the alphabet, the vowels of the letters in the alphabet, A, E, I, O, U. Now notice that these sounds have a lot of movement in the mouth to produce them. And they're usually accompanied with the symbol Y or W, that either one of those consonant sounds go with these vowels. Take a listen. Late, A, eat, E, fine, I, road, O, two, oo. Some of the vowel sounds are a little bit more, there's a lot more movement than the others, but you can see here they all have that W or Y consonant sound because there's a lot of movement needed to create and pronounce those vowel sounds. Those are called two symbol vowel sounds. So to practice, we're going to do exercise 6. And you can play CD1 track 10 to hear these vowel sounds. These are the simple vowel sounds here. Make sure that you're stressing the vowel sound fully and clearly. And then do the same thing for these two symbol vowel sounds. And when you do that, really take inventory, take note of the lack of movement for these vowel sounds, very little movement in your jaw, in your lips, or in your tongue. And then take note of the movement that takes place in these two symbol vowel sounds. You should feel a lot more movement in the anatomy of your mouth. So for example, the a vowel sound, factor, statue, relax, fantastic, method, credit, select, expensive. Your mouth is moving, to create the other vowel sounds and consonant sounds in the word. But for that strong syllable, me, cre, select, expensive, you can tell there's not a lot of movement. Conversely here, with these two symbol vowel sounds, you're getting a lot more movement to produce these. A, paper, E, media, I, final, O, notice, canvas. U, music. So practice those, listen to those, CD1 track 11 and CD1 track 10, and take inventory of the lack of movement with one symbol vowels and the considerable movement with two symbol vowels.